Hey, it's Cousin Tim in Missouri. What we're going to do today is fry some crappie. All right, come on, let's see how we do it. So when we were growing up, us cousins, there was probably three things you could count on for sure with our family. Everybody get together, playing cards, specifically Pinochle, baseball, especially Cardinal fans, and fishing, and having a ton of crappie on hand to fry up and eat for dinner. Everybody go out, fill the boat up, come on back, fillet them things up, and fry them up for dinner. So what we're going to do today is fry up some crappie. So stick here and we'll see how we do it. Okay, so what we got here is it's a corn flour, yellow corn flour. It's a lot lighter than cornmeal. Thinner kernels that you got left over there makes a crispier crust on here. So what you want to look for is some yellow corn flour. And what we're going to put in here is a tablespoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic, and however much cayenne pepper that you want to add to this to kind of spice it up. But this fish is so delicate and light flavored that you really don't want to hide the flavor of the fish too much. So a little bit of seasoning goes a long way when it comes to cooking crappie. Same way with what we got going on over here with the fish. I know a lot of people will put like buttermilk on them or put them in eggs, or what I've always just done is put them in water. That cornmeal will stick just fine to water, so you don't want anything that's going to really hide or change the flavor of this fish any, because it's so delicate and it's so light. So just put a little bit of water on it, cover it, dip it into the coating of the corn flour, and set it on this rack here, and going to let it set up for a little bit, let it get tacky. You want to let every bit of that coating get moist on there. So once it's completely wet, then you want to go into the fryer, which we're going to put them in there at 350 degrees and let them cook. It'll only take about 4 or 5 minutes to cook a couple of fillets, so it goes pretty. All right, these fillets been setting up, got nice and tacked up. All the coating has absorbed a little moisture into it, so it's going to be nice and crisp when this is done. Oil's set at 350. We're going to go in here for 4 or 5 minutes, let these go, and again, don't take your eye off them. It doesn't take very long to cook these, so they should be good to go in, like I said, 4 or 5 minutes tops. So keep an eye on them. Once they start floating, you'll know that it's time to take them out and set them on this rack. Let them drain over a paper towel till they nice and cool where you can eat them. So we'll let these fry up. I'll be back with you in a little bit. We'll see how we did. All right, it's been about 4.5, 5 minutes. These been going in there. They started floating. That crust is set up nice and crunchy on there. So we're going to let these sit on this rack over these paper towels, drain some of that oil off of them while we fry up the rest of this fish here. But guarantee you that that crust is going to be nice and crunchy on there. Very light coating, so the flavor of that fish is going to come shining through whenever we take a bite of this. So going to finish frying these up. I'll be back with you in a few minutes. All right. Nice crispy crust on that with just that water bath and that light coating of that yellow cornmeal. Season these up however you like them, but man, let's give this a taste. If you've had crappie, you know what I'm talking about. If you've never had crappie, start fishing, because this is the best thing ever. Man, something satisfying about going out, catching something, that you're actually going to eat yourself. It's part of the circle of life. Here we go. Crappie. Man. Best thing ever. See y'all next time.